Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Cloud of Champion. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to create a free Oracle cloud account where you can create free resources like Azure, like virtual machines, then web app, then or most of the services, cloud services. So I have opened my browser. I'll just let you know where you can go and then create it. So open your browser, type Oracle Cloud. That's it. Once you click it, the first link which you will see, you have to navigate on that. So once you clicked on that, you will see the page like this. Then click try OCI for free. Then you will see a page like this, Oracle Cloud free tier. So here you can build, test, and deploy applications on Oracle Cloud for free. So explore the available services with free trial. So when we want to start, we have to click here. Then if you already have an Oracle account, you have to click here. So we will first see what's included with Oracle Cloud free trial. So you can see, I'll just go down a little bit. So I'll click always free. So you can see these are the services which are always free. You will not be getting any cost for using these services. So this service includes AMD compute instance, ARM, Apex, load balancer, service connector, then flexible network, then outbound data transfer, virtual cloud. Then there are many services like site-to-site VPN monitoring, email logging, NoSQL database console, then Bastion, Vault certificate, log, object storage, archive storage. So what is available in trial? So so basically you will get around 300 US dollar of cloud credit, which will be you will have for 30 days. You will have to use inside 30 days. After that, you will have to pay for any service which are not free. So if you are using any service inside 30 days, the amount will get deducted from this one. So what so basically what you will get is access to wide range of Oracle Cloud services for 30 days, including database, analytics, compute, container, engine for Kubernetes, up to 8 instances across all available services, up to 5 GB of storage. Then what services are always free? Two Oracle autonomous databases with PowerShell tools like Apex, Oracle, two AMD compute VMs, up to 4 instances of ARM, Ampere A1 compute, then block object and those things. Okay, so basically you can filter from here what services you need and if it is free or trial. So these are trial services which you can use with with benefit of this US dollar. So let's just create a new account. I already have created a new account in Oracle, so I'll just show you how we can create it. But later as mentioned, I already have. I'll just log into my account. So once you come to this page, click start for free. So you have to enter your country. If I am from India, like yeah, I am from India only. So yeah, first you have to enter your name. Let's suppose Arvind. Then type your surname. So yeah, so this is the email ID, and this message you will see email verification link sent. When you click here, you will see one mail you have received. Click on this. You will see a message like verify email. Click on this. It will go to this page where you have to fill all the necessary details like the password. I'll make it as once your password is entered, you have to click individual. This is your cloud account name. You have to click your home region and check this box. Click continue. you have to put your address. So I'll put it, and